And welcome to class 8 in the section of civics, chapter 20, the Indian Constitution and its legal framework. We have completed two case studies, that is on dowry and salt satyagrah. Today we are moving to our last topic, that is the anti-liquor campaign 1991. In 1991, a group of women from the Dubgunta village of Nellore district in Andhra Pradesh began a protest movement against the widespread practice of alcoholism amongst the male members of their families. The problems arising from the consumption of arak by the male members of their families forced the women to start a struggle for banning the sale of cheap liquor produced by the government. The movement was led by an old woman named Vardhanenu Rosamma. In Let me explain you now this topic. In 1991, Andhra Pradesh women were facing a major problem because their male counterparts started consuming alcohol in a large scale as alcohol shop was easily accessible. These male members withdrew their jobs, laborers stopped going on their work. Now the whole burden of family came on females. The families not only got mentally and health-wise affected but also weakened economically. Economically because male members started drinking alcohol instead of earning. Due to all this, women started a movement called the anti-liquor movement. Here they tried to convince government to prohibit on the distribution and consumption of alcohol in the state. Many women came forward from different villages. Many organizations, committees were made and they conducted awareness programs. In these programs, they tried to educate women of the villages that how they can fight for their rights, also how to convince government that their life has come into threatened situation. So there was a local arak alcohol. Women started protests in front of these shops so that a message can be reached to government to prohibit alcohol. It started when Rosamma stopped a local arak contractor from unloading liquor in her village in April 1991. Subsequently, she organized the women and led protests which eventually forced the arak traders to leave the area. As a result of this movement, a statewide ban was imposed on the sale of alcohol in 1995. इस ग्रुप की जो लीडर थी शी वॉज रोजम्मा और ये मूवमेंट एकदम कैसे मोमेंटम गेन कर गया जब एक दिन उन्होंने फाइनली जो अराक के कॉन्ट्रैक्टर थे उन्होंने लिकर को अनलोड होने से मना कर दिया विलेज में. जिससे इस ग्रुप के इतने बड़े होने से, इतना लार्ज स्केल पर होने से लोकल ट्रेडर्स को, जो अराक के जो ट्रेडर्स थे, उनको वो एरिया छोड़कर जाना पड़ा. और जिसका रिज़ल्ट क्या आया इस मूवमेंट का कि उस पूरे स्टेट में 1995 में अल्कोहल के सेल को बैन कर दिया गया. द मूवमेंट was a strong expression of the empowerment of women at local level. And you won't believe ये जो women थी ये सारी marginalized ग्रुप से थी. ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था टू रेज देयर वॉइस इन फ्रंट ऑफ मेल पीपल. It clearly showed that how citizens could mobilize support on important issues and force the government to take action against a practice that was harmful for the society. यहाँ से हम बहुत अच्छे से ये समझ सकते हैं कि अगर सारे सिटीजन्स एक साथ एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करके आगे आएँ किसके ऊपर इम्पॉर्टेंट इश्यूज़ के ऊपर और गवर्नमेंट को फोर्स करें कि वो ऐसे स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लें किसके अगेंस्ट, ऐसे प्रैक्टिसेस के अगेंस्ट जो हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए कर भी हैं और हार्मफुल भी हैं. तो ऐसी प्रैक्टिसेस से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपनी सोसाइटी को भी फ्री कर सकते हैं और आने वाली जनरेशन को भी. थैंक यू. कीप वॉचिंग, कीप रिवाइजिंग. हैव अ गुड डे.